how to use gift codes in Palmon Survival. So if you want to do this, just go ahead into your profile, which is in the top left corner, and just go into settings. It might be the same for the other device, so just go ahead and of course do the same. Anyways, you're gonna go ahead into gift code and you're gonna find yourself an active gift code. So in our case, we're gonna go ahead and try a apparently active gift code, which is friendship day. Make sure you don't misspell anything, and if it's caps, then just try putting it in caps. So if it's active, you should be able to redeem it, and it will directly go inside your mail. So go back to your main screen, go back to your email, and you will see your newly redeemed gift code. Let's go ahead and claim that, and you will get the awesome free rewards. Anyways, that's how you can use gift codes, or use gift codes in Palmon Survival. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.